Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful card with some of the items from the Expressions in Ink suite. You can find this suite on page 96 of your annual catalog. The measurements for this card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a piece of white cardstock that's 4 by 5.25 inches, a piece of cardstock the same color as your card base, 2.5 by 5.25, and a piece of designer series paper, 2.25 by 5.25. You'll also need some additional white cardstock for stamping and die cutting. First, let's take a closer look at this stunning specialty paper. As you know, we call it specialty paper because it's got these gorgeous gold foil accents running through it. With a paper this stunning, you really don't need much of it to make a big impression, and you'll see that on today's card. I'm going to start by stamping some flowers and leaves using stamps from the Artistic Expression stamp set. Now I'll do some die cutting. I'll cut out the images that I've stamped and also a couple of additional pieces. This large floral image is from the Artistic Dies set, and then a label shape from Tasteful Labels. I'll stamp a sentiment onto my label. Finally, I'm going to use the Pretty Flowers embossing folder on this white cardstock. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. I'm going to put adhesive on the front of my two flowers, just in the center. Then I'll lay the large die over top to attach. Same with the leaves. Now I've got lots of space to use adhesive at the back to attach this piece to my card. I'll add a gold floral shape from the Expressions in Ink Ephemera pack to embellish. and an opal round in the center of my large flower. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. In-person classes are back, so you can also sign up for virtual and in-person events on my website. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online or in-person party. Drop me a line for more details. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!